What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mikey Will here. Make sure, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps more than you know. But in this video, we're going to talk about a 52 volt battery on the Electro & Co. Kit. Not too many videos are on the 48 volt or / 52 volt batteries, and I actually never dropped one myself, and I've actually had one of these batteries for quite a while, so just thought it would be cool to show you guys what this thing could do. It's obviously not as fast as a 72 volt, and yes, the voltage does matter. Like if it's 48 volts, it's going to be a little bit slower. If it's 72 volts, it's going to be a little bit faster. If it's 90 something volts, the volts is going to be a lot more faster. But you have to obviously pay attention to the parameters of your speed controller and your motor and your battery. So, well, with that being said, let's get into this video a little bit more, so I can show you what this thing can do. Oh, shit, ain't no cars coming. I guess I'll just hit it. It's a little wet out here, but I'll just hit it for you guys. Oh, this isn't on full power. Hold on. Alright. Some people say you really can't stunt on like the lower voltage ones. I beg to differ. You just gotta know how to finesse a little bit. Keep this, y'all. Oh, that was a close one, but let's go. Hold on, let me go back and get that one for y'all. Let me get this one for y'all twice. It's the second time. That's right. Y'all saw it here first. You can wheel these joints. Bang! Things we got. This is actually like the new 2.1 version kit. This thing's got like a little bit better throttle response. It's not as jerky. And I'll show you guys like what that means in quite a second. Guys, watch this. Because on my other one, it's just, I mean, it's still obviously jerks up, but like in the beginning, let's say if I'm just going like ready, set, see what I'm saying? Like it's not as crazy. The other one, like I would be on my back and stuff like that, or like on my like original one, or if you guys are watching some of my other videos, the yellow one. This thing is so much fun. I'll make sure there ain't no cars coming. I'll hit some circles in this joint. Bad. This is just like, and all these gears are like switchable. Let me put this on one to show you guys what it really does. It's not as fast as one, but it obviously goes, you know? Yeah, this is more like beginner friendly for someone that hasn't ridden an e-bike, because it doesn't like just throw you into it. It gives you like a smooth kind of power curve. So you're just kind of, you kind of smoothly ease into it. But like, as you guys can see, it's still fast and one too. Like, just don't get it twisted. It's just more like eco-friendly, like you don't waste as much battery and stuff like that. Like when you're in 2, you just it just draws, you know what I'm saying? Like here, let me show you what like the one looks like real quick. Alright, so we're at, where we at? 56.5. Watch this, we're gonna watch the draw. It's like not as crazy on one. Still drop down like 2 or 3 volts, but whatever. That's normal. Okay, let me show you on the middle one. And the draw gets a little bit more severe. And this is top speed, you know? So yeah, let's try the last one real quick. Put this on 2. 56.4. See, and that one dropped the lowest. That one was about 49 volts. That's the lowest point of that. But this is also the fastest, and it also does draw the most. So, but as you guys can see, these batteries last me a long time. Like this thing charges up to 58.8 volts. And I usually chill out on it about like 40, like 46, 47 volts. They're usually 47. I'm really trying to save the battery. I got the little app and stuff. But I'll show you some more wheelies and stuff. Show you this thing is not weak sauce. It's kind of cold. It's like a brisk fall morning in New Jersey right now. But yeah, you guys can see, like, if you want to, like if I had to choose between the 72 volt and the 48 volt, or this is 52 volt, I'm sorry, 48, 52, kind of the same thing. It's like a small increase in like speed. But if I had to choose, probably 72. This one's for like people that don't ride it. They're getting used to like the e-bikes, you know what I'm saying? But this thing's still really, like, it's just not as aggressive as the 72 volt. Eesh, got some shoe work going over there. Oh! I couldn't save it. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'm gonna keep ripping this. Make sure you guys subscribe, follow, do what y'all need to do. Mainly subscribe, you feel me? Cause I need them subscriptions. I'm out here grinding every day, you feel me? Hope y'all doing the same thing. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, but you know, make sure you guys go out and buy one. Support Electro and Company. I'm not sponsored, by the way. So take that in mind, consideration. This is a real company that I just spend my hard-earned bread on, you know. This thing mad fun. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys get going. If you want to keep watching, I got all the videos that y'all can see. You feel me? Oh, I'm a long one. All right, peace, y'all.